Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. Most of my followers were expecting me to say, what a fantastic rally. And today I tell you, it is not a fantastic rally. It is a fantastic short squeeze. Yesterday, I told you, I don't know why the market has fallen so much. Nifty fell 150 points and closed at the lowest end of the lowest point of the day. And that was happening despite European markets were okay, Asian markets were higher yesterday. So, of course, Israel-Palestine conflict, the crude prices have gone up. But again, even the crude price goes up or down. So, in India, the petroleum prices never change. So, that has been the case for the last 6+ months. And especially ahead of 5 state elections, the government will not like to increase the petroleum product prices. So still, for no reason, the markets fell like yesterday, and today is just exactly opposite. And today Nifty shot up nearly 230 points from yesterday's closing level, and again for no reason. Nobody knows why markets fell yesterday and why market shot up today. It was just purely a short squeeze. And today also FIIs have sold, they have sold for 1000 crore. The domestic institutions have bought for 2000 crore. So that is the game as usual. But yesterday also was the game, same game. But Nifty fell 150 points and today shot up 200 points. And what was more significant today, a lot of intraday players got into hell lot of problems. Until afternoon, what was the case? Markets were going higher and put premiums were coming down, but call premiums did not actually go up proportionally. In fact, I tweeted, now call premiums are not moving higher, but put premiums coming down. But what happened after 12:30 was the dramatic thing. Both calls and puts were started moving higher. And you know what happens when the markets move suddenly and the people, to manage their loss in the call position, so they will like to sell more put options, nearer put options, or they want to move the put option higher, and they will not have enough margin money. So for the purpose of margin, they used to buy far out of the money put option. So because of that, the far out of the money put option prices shoot up. I'll give you one example. Nifty shot up nearly 100 points after 12:30, but 19,200 put option shot up from 4 rupees to 6 rupees plus. So a 50% increase in the premium when the Nifty is going higher, and that too far out of the money. And in fact, today one of my friends told me, today morning, since he had some surplus cash, so don't know where to invest, so he sold call option and put option, both trading around 10 rupees in Bank Nifty. That was about 43,200 put option and 44,800 call option. And the only mistake he has done it before 12:30. If he had done after 12:30, he would have made very huge profit. And what happened after 12:30? The call he sold for 10 rupees was going to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. But put premium also going from 10 rupees to 12 rupees. So such was the bad day today, and both calls and puts started moving higher, and because of this violent move after 12:30. So today, I just tweeted, October month is known as bear killer month, but this month, this October, seems to be killing both bulls as well as bears. So yesterday all the bulls were killed by falling 150 points. Today all the bears were killed by shooting up 200-250 points. So today is the first day after so many days, IT, banks and Reliance, all three started moving higher, and the only exception is TCS. That's because the TCS has already announced the buyback, and that price has already gone up for the last 2-3 trading session. So just ahead of the results, so that came under a slight profit booking. That's a very, very slight profit booking only. But other than that, all the banks, all the IT stocks and Reliance Industries also started moving higher. And today, real estate index has outperformed the market. So I don't know, I still feel that the real estate prices in India is very, very high, is unsustainable, and but there is no reason. So anyway, the market is like that only. Bank Nifty yesterday moved more than 500 point down, today moved more than 500 point up. I think for the last many days, banking stocks are moving, making a more than 500 point move on a day-to-day basis. So anyway, so far markets have been very volatile, and don't worry, from tomorrow the corporate results season will start and the market will be even more volatile. So usually the month where the corporate results are there, it tend to be more volatile, but only consolation is that tomorrow evening only the TCS results come, so only Thursday it will be factored in. Then after that we just have only 2 more weeks and one public holiday is there. So the option sellers are banking on the time decay. So anyway, so yesterday one day 150 point down, today 200 point up. The markets are tend to be too volatile and making trading very, very difficult. So if you follow the trend following system, you are more or less safe. But again, this time also Nifty showed long above 19,700, went up to 20,200, came down, again showed short around 19,740, again went to 19,300, now again back to around 19,740. So if the Nifty crosses 19,920, then the markets become long now. So anyway, those things we will discuss tomorrow. Now global markets are looking extremely good for the third day. Not third day, last 2 days the Dow future, US futures were very much lower, and after the market opened it shot up, and now the US futures are slightly higher. But I think US markets have already shot up more than 3% from Friday low to yesterday high, and those markets may consolidate. So I think we will also consolidate tomorrow, and day after tomorrow TCS results will guide the markets. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.